A poet walks out of a banquet hall. Seconds later, the roof collapses. Everyone inside is crushed beyond recognition. Bodies cannot be identified. But the poet remembers. He knows exactly where each guest was sitting. He had built a palace in his mind. This single moment, around 500 BC, birthed a memory technique still used today. 2,500 years old, and it still beats every memory app ever made. World champions use it to memorize a shuffled deck in under 20 seconds. It is called the Memory Palace. And almost nobody is taught the one trick that built our entire civilization's mind. Memory is the treasury and guardian of all things. The year is roughly 500 BC in the Greek region of Thessaly. Simonides of Chios, Greek lyric poet, around 556 to 468 BC. Simonides is hired to perform a poem at a nobleman's lavish banquet. He is called outside by two mysterious visitors. The hall stands behind him. As he steps away, the roof gives way and buries everyone inside. The grieving families arrive, desperate to bury their dead with honor, but the bodies are mangled past all recognition. Then Simonides realizes something. He can picture every face at its place. By recalling the seating order, he names each crushed body in turn. Location had unlocked memory. Simonides grasped a principle that would echo for millennia. We remember things best when we tie them to places. The best aid to memory is order. The Romans turned it into a science. By the 1st century BC, orators trained this skill obsessively. A Roman lawyer had to deliver hours of speech with no notes. The solution was an imaginary building, walked room by room. You place each idea as a vivid image in a specific spot. To recall the speech, you simply walk the rooms again. An ancient textbook spelled out the whole method in detail. It was called the Rhetorica ad Hernium, written around 80 BC. It advised making images striking, strange, even comic or grotesque. Boring images fade fast from the mind. Shocking, ridiculous ones stick like glue. Cicero himself credited this art for his legendary courtroom memory. Then the technique conquered the medieval world. Monks used memory palaces to hold scripture before printed books existed. Cathedrals themselves became walkable memory systems carved in stone. Thomas Aquinas, medieval theologian, 1225 to 1274. Aquinas treated trained memory as a moral virtue worth cultivating. He taught ordered recall as part of prudence itself. But does it actually work? For centuries, the palace was tradition. Then neuroscience put it on trial. Eleanor Maguire, neuroscientist, University College London. In 2002, Maguire scanned the brains of world memory champions. She expected superhuman brains with unusual structures. Instead, the scans looked completely ordinary. The champions were not born gifted. Their secret was a method. 9 out of 10 of them used spatial memory routes. Their brains lit up in regions linked to navigation and place. Superior memory was not driven by talent, but by strategy. The proof went further in 2017. Martin Dresler, neuroscientist, Radboud University, Netherlands. Dresler trained ordinary people in the memory palace for 6 weeks. Before training, they recalled around 26 words from a list. After training, many recalled over 60. 30 minutes of daily practice more than doubled their recall. Brain scans showed their wiring shifting toward the champion's pattern. The skill was not magic. It was trainable in almost anyone. The technique is not really about memory at all. Your brain evolved to navigate landscapes, not to memorize lists. The palace hijacks an ancient survival system built for finding your way. So why is this still forgotten? We outsourced our memories to phones, calendars, and search bars. The mental skill that built oral civilizations slowly went quiet. Yet the hardware in your skull never changed. The same ancient method still works perfectly today. Try it now. Walk through your home and place 5 ideas inside. A dragon at your front door, a name burning on your stove. Tomorrow, walk that route again and watch the memories return. Next time you forget a name, remember Simonides at the ruins. You already carry a palace. You simply forgot to move in.